Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to set cool backgrounds in Discord on PC. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. By default, Discord has two built-in themes, light and dark. To switch between them, you need to open your user settings, scroll down to Appearance, in-app settings, and switch between themes, light or dark. With Nitro subscription, you have access to more colors and gradients, but you can also use cool themes for free. Let me show you how. Just open a web browser and search for betterdiscord.app. Go to this website and download the application. Once downloaded, click on the installer and install the app. You can minimize your browser now. So accept the license agreement, click next, install Better Discord, select your Discord folder or browse for it, install. Now you can close this window, Discord is relaunching. Next, go back to your user settings and this time scroll down to a new section called Better Discord. Now click on Themes, it takes you to the Themes store and search for the theme you like. Let's say this one, download this theme. You can automatically enable, but let me skip this step for now. I will show you how to enable themes. Download. Now scroll back to top, click on the themes word here, and here is your downloaded theme. You can enable it, disable, and open a themes store to search for more themes. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.